Hello friends, today our topic is measurement of badminton court. Measurement means the action of measuring something or a unit is called measurement of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called of badminton court means the court on which badminton is played, a game played on a court with long handled rackets used to a volley a shuttlecock over a net court is specially marked horizontal area within which a game is played. Player had to reverse reserve a court in advance. Measurement of badminton court or as listed means the action of measuring something or unit of badminton or marked as under. The shape of badminton court. The shape of badminton court means the court is a rectangular and divided into halves by a net. Courts are usually marked for both singles and doubles play. The double court is wider than single court, but both are of the same length. The shape of the badminton court is a rectangular. Size of badminton court for single game means the dimension of badminton court for single played on the same standard court, that is 44 meters into 17 feet including lines, means the dimension of badminton court is 44 feet length and 17 feet breadth. Size of badminton court for double game means the dimension of badminton court for double game are played on the same standard court. The size of that court is 44 feet length and 20 feet breadth including lines. Height of poles means the two posts that are installed to support the net need to be placed on each side of the court on the top of the sidelines at a distance of 20 feet is equal to 5 feet 1 inch. Height of the net at the center means the net height is 5 feet from the floor. The actual netting should start about 2 feet and 6 inches off the ground. Width of the lines means the lines marking out the court are easily distinguishable and colored white or yellow. The lines are 40 millimeter wide, that is equal 4 centimeter as a part of court. Width of the shuttlecock. Weight of the shuttlecock means 4.74 gram to 5.50 gram. Weight of the shuttlecock means the conical feathered cork device that is struck back and forth in badminton and its mass is 4.74 to 5.50 grams. Gram means a metric unit of mass equal to 1/1000th of a kilogram. Number of feathers in a shuttlecock means it has 16 goose feathers, sits on a stump of Portuguese cork and flies at up to 300 miles per hour, which marks the badminton shuttle. Means The shuttlecock has 14 to 16 feathers. Length of the racket. The length of a badminton racket is measured from the bottom of the racket handle or grip to the tip of the racket head. That is equal to 68 centimeter. Then wide head of the racket equal to 20 centimeter. Wide head of the racket means the length of a badminton racket is measured from the bottom of the racket handle grip to the tip of the racket head. A typically length of racket is between 660 millimeter to 675 millimeter and should not exceed 600 millimeter. Free space area around the court equal to 2 meter on all sides of the court. Free space area around the court means a clear space around the court is needed for the freely movement of the player. Width of the side gallery equal to 46 centimeters. The meaning of width of the side gallery. The badminton court is 13.4 meter long and 6.1 meter wide. For singles, the court is marked 5.18 meter wide. The lines marking out of the court are easily distinguishable and colored white or yellow. The lines are 40 millimeter wide. Width of the back gallery equal to 76 centimeters means the lines marking out the court are easily distinguishable and colored white or yellow. The lines are 40 millimeter wide. A court may be marked out for singles only. The back boundary lines also become the long service lines, and the posts or the strips of materials representing them are placed on the side lines. Is called width of the back gallery. Short service area means this type of serve is most commonly used in double game. Aim to hit the shuttle so it just clears the net and lands as close to the service line as possible, but it must touch the line at least. If it drops short, it will not count. That is equal to 6 feet 6 inch. Thanks and have a nice day.